So how does an INOVA Purifier work? When you use an INOVA Purifier, you're trying to clean the air in your home as effectively as possible. So having it in the living room during the day, moving it in the bedroom at night is often one of the best ways to get the cleanest air. If it's in your budget, you're best to buy two systems, one for the bedroom, one for the living room. Leave them going 24/7. And people often ask us, do I need to keep it going or can I turn it off when I'm not at home? And the answer to that question is keep it going. When you come home, you want to be breathing clean air. You don't want to be turning the air purifier on, waiting for it to filter all the air in your home and then enjoying clean air. Our systems are so energy efficient that they're similar to the power consumption of a light. They're not going to have a meaningful impact on your power bill, so why switch them off? Get the most out of them, run them continuously, and enjoy clean air while you're sleeping. During the day, you're going to have the lowest amount of particles in the air. Give us a call if you want expert advice on how to select the right air purifier for your home.